Rachel from Slipstick. Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. Does your chair mark your deck when it's moved? Gorilla Outdoor Berber wraps are the answer. These Berber straps fit tubular frames and are ideal for swivel chairs with ring bases. The strap wraps around the tube and the adhesive and hook and loop ensures a tight fit. It's a universal fit and the Marine Grade Berber protects decks and slides easily. To fit, simply peel off the adhesive and wrap around with Berber being at the bottom of the chair frame and then complete by overlapping the hook and loop. They work great on ring bases as well and can be attached over the existing feet. Easy sliding, no noise, and your deck is protected. Gorilla wraps protect any smooth surface, composite, wood, and tile. All Slipstick Gorilla Outdoor products are backed by our 1-year warranty.